Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the specially merciful, I am here to present to you a beautiful expression from the Quran. Hearts are assured, linked to remembrance of Allah. It is miraculously coded, fixed with the Rappan code. I would like to highlight that this code, the Rappan code, is totally a different code, and it is not at all relevant to the theory which was presented by the man named Rashid Khalifa. First of all, I would like to give you a small refresher of the Rap1 code. There are 4 basic elements of the code. First of all, you have to select an expression from the Quran. You have to write the chapter numbers in which that expression has occurred. You have to write the verse numbers in which that expression has occurred. And you have to write total number of verses which are involved in the expression. Or in other words, the total number of verses in which that expression has occurred. The last and the 4th element is that if the expression inside a verse has occurred twice or thrice or more number of times, then that verse number will also be added twice, thrice, or same number of times. You have to take subtotal of each element. Subtotal of chapter numbers, for example, is A, verse numbers is B, and verses involved is C. Now you have to add all these 3 elements. For example, A plus B plus C is equal to 56. The grand total after adding A plus B plus C was 6. We assumed as 56. Now the Rap1 code is required to be applied. Refer to chapter number 73, verse 3 and 4. Half of it or subtract from it a little, or add to it and recite the Quran distinctively or recite the Quran with Mayya. The answer was 56. You have to divide by 2, that is half of it, and multiply it with the same number after adding 1. The answer shall be 1596, which is a multiple of 19. The final outcome after the application of the Rap1 code shall be considered passing on the matrix of 19 if it is a multiple of 19 or it is a running 19. Example of running 19 is, for example, the final answer was 180091. Then 1 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 is 19. It is a running 19. Coming over to the expression, hearts are assured, linked to remembrance of Allah. This expression has come in one verse of the Quran. That is chapter number 13, verse number 28, twice, because this expression has occurred twice in this verse. How many verses? 1 verse. The subtotal of each element is displayed in front of you. The grand total becomes 70. Now you have to apply the Rap1 code on 70, half of it, or subtract from it a little, or add to it and recite the Quran with Mayya, recite the Quran distinctively. You have to divide 70 with 2 and multiply by adding 1, that is 71. The answer shall be 2485, which is a running 19. Allah be praised.